Major moves down in the crypto market have brought Bitcoin on the daily time frame down to the entry points that we were looking for. We now see a green dot from the Pro Trade Manager, but there is no signs of stopping at this point. In this video, I'm going to go over the next entry level for the market cycle highs and lows if it drops to that level. And I'm going to talk about managing your risk for those of you that want to take the chance and enter the trade now in anticipation of a correction back to the upside. Here is everything you need to know. Guys, we are going live today in our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. I don't want you guys to miss this. This is live coaching and Q&A from the founder of Trade Confident, Travis Martin himself. As a heads up, we also have our Black Friday indicator sale live. I'll show you how to get the best prices possible. Today, we posted a brand new future forecast. We just made a 6-figure move. Here's what we've done and how this changes our portfolio. Yesterday, we also talked about timing the bottoms of Bitcoin and altcoins. Access all of this and more at the links in the description down below for 25% off of our membership. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager, and we'll be bringing in the TC top and bottom finder shortly. Those of you that have been following me through this week know that we've been looking for a caution reading on Bitcoin. These readings are exceedingly rare. In fact, the last time it happened on the daily time frame was way back here in 2023, and that was the very beginning of the bull run from the $16,000 level. This brought Bitcoin all the way to its new all-time high, well over $120,000. So this is absolutely bullish, but there is concern here that this may not be the bottom. If we drop into concern or even fear, this is exceedingly rare, but it is possible, and I want you to be ready for that possibility. If that happens, things will be looking a little bit more bullish because whale traders tend to buy up retail fear. So if retail fear is really high, as shown by these three colors, whales are more likely to buy into the market. And where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. There's a reason why they're called market makers. However, because the caution signal is so rare, we need to be ready based on the fact that we've also received a green dot from the Pro Trade Manager, which most often results in significant moves up with each green dot we get. When you combine both the caution and the green dot readings, this is where we get really into large potential moves up. So if we see a continued drop below $87,500, that is where I'll begin looking for a concern. If we see a bounce from that level, that's where an entry may be a better idea for a short-term profitability move. If you decide to make an entry, you're going to want to have the TC top and bottom finder on your chart. Now, when looking to enter a trade, we're going to head to the TC top and bottom finder, show take profit, show market order, show buy limit 1, and show buy limit 2. That is going to bring everything over to the right side. I want to point out, we also got a buy signal on Bitcoin in yesterday's candle, so this is another bullish confirmation. When looking to enter a trade, we split our investment into 3 equal parts. The first part goes to a market order, which is entered immediately. Second part goes to buy limit 1, and third part goes to buy limit 2. Once all buy orders are set up, we then set our take profit. So if the price goes above the take profit, it's easy money. But if the price drops below buy limit 1 or 2, it's going to double and then triple your original investment, bringing you into profit faster. So you have more money in the market, you're bringing it into profit faster, and all of this serves to massively increase your profit potential. This is the risk management strategy that has helped us earn 314 wins with 0 losses in our membership trades. However, if you are not looking to enter a trade and would rather wait for a further potential drop, instead, what we want to do is set some alerts. We're going to head to the alerts tab. We're going to click over here, create alert. We're going to switch this to the market cycle highs and lows. We're looking for concern. Once per bar close, click create. Next alert will be under the market cycle highs and lows again, and we'll be looking for fear. Once per bar close, click create. These two alerts are going to let you know if a candle closes in either the concern level, which is kind of a dull turquoise, or a bright turquoise fear reading. These historically are extremely bullish in Bitcoin, and you need to be ready if they pull up on our chart. With that, guys, if you don't have these indicators on your chart, now is the time to snag them for our Black Friday sale. In order to get the best possible discount, you're going to want to head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the second link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. Head to the Black Friday indicator sale. To save the most amount of money, you're going to want to snag the top and bottom finder first. The TC top and bottom finder here for members is $400 off. Once you have the TC top and bottom finder, you are now eligible for 60% off each of the brand new AI indicators, the market cycle highs and lows, and the Pro Trade Manager. Email in at betradeconfident@gmail.com after you've purchased the TC top and bottom finder, and this is where you're getting insane prices on our indicators. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for today's Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. Don't miss out.